AKASO V50X action camera features touchscreen and 4K 30 frames per second video. It records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. You can set the view angle depending on your needs between 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees. Equipped with the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to remotely control your camera? The V50X is for you. AKASO Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and Innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.
Built for the next level image quality. It combines 9 pieces of glass. 4 of the 9 are spherical lenses, and with a half CMOS sensor. AKASO Brave 8. You can get 48 megapixels photos, 8K time-lapse videos, smooth moments with 4K, 60 frames per second, and capture more details in 16 times, slow motion than 8 times. AI face metering detects human faces smartly. Super smooth shoots images and videos with gimbal-like steadiness. The waterproof body helps you see the world down to 33 feet. Boosted battery guarantees longer duration. Connect the camera with app. You can preview, edit, and share your life instantly. Let this remote control help you see scenes with a master stroke. Trust me, it is better than ever. Brave 8. Next level, nothing less.
GoPro, start recording.